this one is our meter 120. The nozzle is moving here, very stable moving. This is the touch screen, colorful touch screen here. You can see this door can be opened here. It will be convenient for maintenance. And here is the louver design for heat dissipation. Okay. These are all for UV curing machine. And the top here, there will be a 3D sign printer on this top. It has completed the printing here, so it stopped. And this one, it is still working, still printing. This one, without the front face, it's just printing the side wall. Some people call it returns.